Hello, boys and girls. Before we get started on our writing today, I wanted to show you our anchor chart so we could remember what our writing is supposed to look like. So we're talking about our persuasive or opinion writing. So it's what you think. So we talked about how the first thing we have to do is decide. And I gave the example of asking you, what's your favorite apple? Red apples, green apples, or yellow apples. So first you have to decide which one is your favorite, and then you have to explain. So I picked red apples, and I said, I like red apples because they are sweet. So this is what we did yesterday with our writing. You guys told me something you wanted, and you explained why. So now today, we got to go to our next step. Number 3, give lots of reasons. So for this example, I said, red apples are healthy. I can eat them at home and at school. So now I need you to think about what you were writing about yesterday, about what you want, and how you're going to give me lots of reasons as to why you should get that.